Hello students, in this video lecture, we will start with unit number 2, Depreciation Accounting. In this unit, we will be covering meaning, causes, need for providing depreciation, AS6, that is Accounting Standard 6, methods of depreciation. Under method of depreciation, there are two parts. Method of depreciation for practical problems and method of depreciation for theory only. Method of depreciation which will be asked will be change in method of depreciation from straight line method to reducing balance method or vice versa, sinking fund method, insurance policy method. So these three method of depreciation are there for your practical problem. And theoretical, that is method that will be asked only for theory purpose are annuity method, machine hour rate method, service hour method, depletion method, revaluation method, sum of digit method. In this video lecture, I will be just covering about the meaning, objectives, causes, need for providing depreciation, and in brief the method of depreciation which will be there for theory purpose. So let us start with the meaning of depreciation. Depreciation basically means that the word relates to fixed asset which lose values on account of usage. Therefore, depreciation means decline in the value of asset on account of use. Another definition of depreciation may be a permanent and continuing diminution in quality, quantity, or the value of the asset. It also states that depreciation is gradual and permanent decrease in the value of asset from any cause whatsoever. Now let us understand what are the causes of depreciation. First cause is physical wear and tear. The most important fact that contribute to depreciation of an asset is the physical wear and tear resulting from its use. It reduces the future technical capacity of the asset to serve and its earning power. As a result, it reduces the value of an asset. A tangible asset physically deteriorates by wear and tear caused from vibration, friction, movement, strain, erosion, etc. Next cause is physical deterioration. Certain assets deterioration takes place with sheer passage of time. Deterioration basically means that the assets are exposed to the element forces of nature such as wind, weather, etc. Next point or cause of depreciation is expiry of legal rights. Certain assets like patents, lease, licensee depreciate with passage of time and they expire. Fall in value. Next is fall in value due to demand fluctuation. Sometimes the demand for services provided by the asset may fluctuate, which causes a fall in the value of an asset. Moving on to the next cause of depreciation is obsolescence. Obsolescence basically means that due to technological development in asset, there is depreciation in the value of the asset. So these were some of the causes of depreciation. Now let us understand why there is a need or objectives for providing depreciation. The first point is to ascertain the true profit or loss. Ascertainment of true profit or loss is not possible without providing for depreciation, as the loss in the value of asset also goes towards earning of the income. Therefore, depreciation should be considered as an expenditure to earn the revenue and charged to profit and loss account. Then only the true profit or loss can be ascertained. The next point or the need or objective for providing depreciation is to present a true financial position. A balance sheet is supposed to exhibit a true and fair financial position of the concern. That means the fixed asset must be shown at their proper value to the business as a going concern. True value will be the cost less the amount that is lost by way of wear and tear, that is depreciation on account of use of asset in the period. Basically, these 2 points are explaining that whatever asset is used for the business, a certain amount of depreciation has to be taken out, that is expense, and that expense will be debited to this profit and loss account, and whatever is debited, the amount will be deducted from the asset. For example, if I am having a company, and in my company there is an asset of 1 lakh rupees, and I am charging a depreciation of 20,000 for the year. So 20,000 will be shown in the profit and loss account, and in balance sheet I will show only 80,000. That is 1 lakh minus 80,000, 20,000, and 80,000 I will show in the balance sheet as the asset. So the next objective is for the replacement of the asset. So if the assets depreciation is charged on asset correctly every year, that will help the organization to ascertain the true value of the asset and find out that at what point of time the replacement of assets needs to be done. So these were the three main important needs or objective of providing depreciation. Moving on to the next theory, assess we have to understand the assessment and allocation of depreciation. Under this point, we have to understand some important concepts. First one is original cost. While calculating the depreciation, these terms are very useful. The first one is original cost. Original cost basically represents the historical cost, which has to be shown in the books of account. For example, if a company is purchasing an asset for 1 lakh, that same 1 lakh value of the asset should be shown in the books of account. Next one is salvage. Salvage basically means is the salvage value. Salvage value. If the asset is purchased in 2020 and it is going to be sold in 5 years, that is useful life is for 5 years. So after 5 years, whatever will be the residual amount, that will be called as salvage value. For example, 1 lakh is 1 lakh asset is purchased by the company, and after 5 years the salvage value or the residual value is 10,000. That is, it is also called as scrap value. So this is the meaning of salvage. Useful life. Useful life is the life of an asset. If a company is purchasing an asset, the asset will have a useful life. So these three terms are required for calculating the depreciation: original cost, salvage value, and useful life. So with this, I have completed the theory of depreciation, and I hope you have understood the meaning of depreciation, the objective of depreciation, and the important terms which will be used for calculating depreciation. For next video lecture, we will see the method of depreciation for your practical problem. First, we will see change in method of depreciation. That is, there is a one method of depreciation. From one method, we will see next method. Sinking fund method is the second, and third one is insurance policy method. Thank you.